Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we're back in the studio here. We're going to do an installation on this brand new R1250R. It's going to be a great upgrade. It's going to come with a new set of brackets that will look great on the bike and 3 windshield sizes to customize your riding style. Be quick, straightforward installation. Does take a little bit involved getting inside here, but nice and easy. We'll walk you through it and it'll be ready to get on the road. So let's go ahead and get started. And included in the hardware kit, you got your left and right side inner and outer mounting brackets, a set of 4 Allen head bolts, 4 washers, 4 rubber grommets, 4 metal inserts, and 4 countersunk bolts, and a set of rubber gaskets. We're going to start by taking off this front panel here. You need a T25 Torx head wrench, and there's just 2 bolts, one on each side. Should come right out. Now at the top here, there's 2 little push tabs. You just want to pull this whole bracket straight out. You want to twist it. Now it should pop right off, like so. Take the actual dash off itself. There's 3 E-clips here, here, and here. Just want to go ahead, and there's a little lip on there, so you can just grab a hold of it. Should just slide right out of place. Sometimes it can be a little stubborn, so what you can do, a little trick, take the blunt end of an Allen wrench, get up on that guy, give it a little push, comes right off. A little easier on your fingers. And let's grab a hold of the dash, pull it straight out, and you're good to go. All right, so now we got the dash panel off. It allows us to access to inside of here. It's a little hard to see in the video, so we'll go ahead and we'll just talk about it here. There's a deep inside here. You probably see it if you turn your front end all the way to one side. There's a little plastic clip, and inside there's a little wire tie. So you want to go snip that wire tie that's holding the turn signal wire in place. So you want to go ahead and take a small flathead screwdriver. Let's pop this guy loose. Okay. Let's kind of hold that guy out to the side a little bit. Now you want to get in here. There's a bolt right here that holds the turn signal in place. You get in here with your T27 Torx head. Pop that guy off. Take the stock, turn it over 180 degrees, pull straight out. Make sure that the clip for the end of the wiring comes out nice and easy. You don't want to pull on it because you might break it loose. Then you want to repeat the process on the other side. Okay. All right, so right now we're going to be working on the right side of the bike. So you want to go and grab the right side main bracket and the right side outer bracket. This bracket will have a notch in it that will match up to kind of the decorative notch here on the bracket. So we went ahead and took the rubber gasketry, put one on each side of the brackets. To install this, take the bracket, come in from the side like this, put it on the fork tube, lift it up, and twist it into place. Take the outer bracket, there's a little tongue and groove on the back here. Hook it up, wrap it around. You want to secure it with one of the bolts and one of the washers from the kit. Actually, you're going to use 2 of them, one at the top, one at the bottom here. Once you get it snugged up, it will hold itself in place and make it a little bit easier to do the installation here. And go ahead and just tighten these guys up with your 5mm Allen wrench. Now you want to snug them right now. You don't want to go fully tight. But you want to have a little bit of a adjustment side to side. And we want to bring this up as high as you can get it too. So let's loosen this guy back up. We're going to go all the way up to the top. Why you leave them loose the first time so you can adjust it and make sure any piece you need. But just go ahead and tack it so it's nice and snug. And you'll be good to go. I repeat the process on the other side. All right, so still working on the right side of the bike here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna reinstall your turn signals. Start by taking the cable, running it through the bracket and back through the housing on the headlight mount. Okay, I'm gonna start with it pointing backwards towards the back of the bike. So put it in there. Little key weight, I'll snap in. Rotate 180 degrees. And then screw it back in there with the original bolt. Do have a T27 with an extension or a really long Allen key style. Makes it a lot easier to get in there so you can not scrape up any of the bracketry. And secure it back up. And go ahead and find the proper plug. Snap it back into place. That's why you can kind of coil it back up a little bit, make sure everything stays out of the way. And what you can do, and then slide it, kind of move back down inside here a little bit. Find a nice cozy spot for it. And you can take it, if you want to, you could take one of the supplied zip ties, secure it back to this little bundle here. That way it keeps it from moving around and bouncing around going down the road. Makes it nice and clean. All right, now we're going to put the dash panel back in. So we're going to go slide it back into place. Just pops it right back in. And secure it with the original E-clips. And before you close it up, don't forget to plug it back in. Now we're going to put the outer cover back into place. Go ahead and line the two upper clips, and there's little slots here. Let's go ahead and line it back up and push it back into place. Nope. Take the original bolts, throw them back in. And these are going to be a T25. Have a weird angle too, so you'll be careful you're not rubbing on the headlight too much. Make sure it bolts nice and snug. All right, so now we're going to put our windshield on. We're going to go with our new dark tint VStream. I'm going to start by taking these 4 rubber inserts, popping them into each of the bolt holes. They will be on the snug side. You're going to have to work them around a little bit to get the seam to line up. There you go. Once you got all 4 in, take the metal insert here, push it right into the bolt. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this on the bike now. So you want to take the 4 countersunk chrome bolts. One's going to go in each hole, so you want to line it up on the bracket. Just start threading it in a little bit. It'll be a 4mm Allen wrench. Don't go too tight with it so you make any last minute adjustment. Once you're happy with the position of the windshield, go ahead and tighten up all the rest of your bolts and you're good to go. All right, so there you have it. Nice, easy installation. Matches the aggressive look and stance of this bike to T. Great upgrade. All polycarbonate windshield. The quantum hard coating. 3-year warranty against breaking. 3 sizes available. How can you go wrong with this windshield? It's going to be a great upgrade for you guys. So if you need information on this windshield, any of the windshields for this bike, all 3 sizes are going to be available soon. Check out our website at nationalcycle.com. Also visit our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. We got our YouTube page. So check out our other videos, check out all our guest Go segments, great tips about any of our bikes. So until next time, have yourself a great ride.